Hey y'all, Amy with Deep in the Art Creations here, and today I'm going to go over 7 different types of paintbrushes and what they're used for. The first brush we're looking at is a wash brush. It has a flat edge and it has a very wide coverage. It holds a lot of paint, so it's going to cover a lot of area in a short amount of time. Next we have a flat brush. It gets its name from its flat edge. And as you can see, it's just got straight bristles, not as wide as the wash brush, but it also lays smooth, bold strokes, or you can use the edge for fine, crisp lines. Then we have our round brush. This is great for painting fine details. As you can see, the bristles are in a round formation, which is what its name comes from, and they come to a point. This point is going to give you the ability to get some very, very fine details done. Also, you can get a thinner or a wider stroke depending on the pressure you put on it. The less pressure, the thinner your stroke. The more pressure, the wider the stroke. Next, we come to the filbert brush. And what this brush has done is it has taken the best uses from the flat brush and the best uses from the round brush and married them into one. So we have the flat bristles that come to a rounded edge. What that does is it allows us to get a variety of strokes. We can go from broad strokes to linear strokes just by turning it on its edge. Also, when you're using this brush, it doesn't leave distinct brush marks as you go. This is a very versatile brush that everyone should have. This brush is a liner brush. As you can see, it has long bristles and there's not a lot of them. It's great for details like when you're doing lettering or doing thin branches, doing some outlining, any of those small details. This is the brush you want to use, a liner brush. Lastly, we have the fan brush. This may be my favorite brush. And the reason is because it adds a lot of texture to your paintings. It just gives it that extra three-dimensional look. It's great for trees, for grasses, dotting things. You can put paint on it and use it to flick for like snow. It really does take your paintings up to another level. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to hit like and follow so that you can stay up with our latest tips and tricks.